In this video, I'm going to show you how to wash and restore silkiness back into your synthetic human hair blend and premium fiber wigs. You can use this method for ponytails too. The first thing you'll need is your shampoo, followed by a fabric softener and a detangling brush. Step 1, make sure you detangle your wigs and ponytail properly before washing them. You'll also find out that the nape area is usually the parts that are stretched out. Now, in a bowl of lukewarm water or regular tap water, add a cupful of your fabric softener and then go in with your shampoo. Mix it together and then it's time to wash. Go ahead and place your wig or ponytail in the bowl of water. Make sure that it is fully immersed because you want the fabric softener to work its magic into that wig or ponytail. You're going to soak this for 20 minutes, and if it is a lace frontal wig, be sure to pay attention to the lace part to remove any excess glue or product from your previous install. After 20 minutes, it is time to rinse off your wig. Make sure you rinse thoroughly from the root to the tip. This will prevent your wig from tangling, and be gentle with the lace area if it's a lace wig so that you don't rip off the lace in any way. Once you're done, you squeeze out the excess water. I'm just using regular tap water over there. And then once you're done with that, you want to try and brush your wig again. That way it will be easier to comb out. You brush it thoroughly and then you leave it to air dry, or if you're in a hurry, you can always use your blow dryer on low to medium heat or cold air, and then go ahead and use your flat iron to flatten your wigs and ponytails.